Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this series of video we are covering VICIbox installation and administration. Remember, like and subscribe. We need to go in the VICIbox webpage in vicibox.net, and here we can download our standard edition ISO of the VICIbox. Here in this webpage we can find all the information for VICIbox 10. That is the version that we are installing today, and all the features that is provided in this ISO. I'm installing this standard edition of VICIbox. Here is the manual, and I'm installing in virtual environment. I will use VirtualBox. I have even a video how to prepare the VirtualBox and create the network. Normally we'll use a lab network for this scenario. We need to prepare our virtual environment. We need to create a new virtual machine. Is OpenSuSE. That is the ambient that we will use. Allocating here some RAM and creating a virtual disk. Normally I'll use a dynamic allocation. I will start with 80 gigs. Later we'll see. I will proceed in the future if I need it more. Now we need to attach the image and of the ISO and add some more processor, make it to core, and attach the ISO. There. Now we can start our virtual machine that we just prepared before, and boot from the ISO image. This is a mark procedure. We click to yes if it is a warning that if I have anything in my hard disk, everything will be erased. In my case, I don't have anything in my hard disk. Now it's a brand new virtual machine that I created for this case, and we need to proceed with the step. In some moment of this video, I will pause the video and continue later. Now in this stage, we need to log in as root, and with the password that's provided is the default password, VICIbox. After we log in as root and with the password VICIbox, we need to write it down. We need to set up our keyboard layout. This is the area. We need to go to that and accept it. And here we need to put our time zone. In my case, it's Europe. Here we need to enter the new password. This is the root password, and confirm it. I need to set up my network. Now here in this case we need to write VICIbox time zone to reset the time zone. Install the packages. In fact, I have a DHCP automatically take an IP, and I'm in internet. Normally before this step, if you don't have a DHCP, you need to put the IP and to download these packages. After we finish with this setup, put our time zone, etc. Depending from your time zone. In my case, I'm in Europe, in Albania, so I put Albania and press OK, and it's set up. After this, we need to put IP address. Like I mentioned before, I have a DHCP, so I automatically take IP. With yes done, we enter this page to put the IP. Here we can put the IP. Normally it's recommended that you use static IP address. Put IP. In my case, I put 10.0.2.100, and the subnet mask is the default subnet mask. With the host name, we can, if you don't have host name, if you have a domain, you can leave it VICIbox.local. We'll update this section. Just cancel. And go to the next page to put our DNS like I mentioned before. If you don't have a domain, you can put VICIbox.local. And here we need to put the DNS server. I use public DNS server because I don't have a DNS domain name server here, and routing is the gateway. In my case, I will put 10.0.2.1, and interface is as after we finish, we press OK, that everything is right in the device, and check the founding connection will be OK. In this stage, we need to install VICIbox, writing VICIbox minus express, and it will install the VICIbox packages. Accepting here with a yes, and waiting that everything is installed. Here it will be installed the database, the telephony server, the Apache, and all other packages that needed. Now that everything is installed, I need just to reboot the VM, and normally this will be okay. After this will be started, we can access our VICIbox from a client machine. I have prepared here a VM client with Windows 10, and we'll access it from this VM. That the PC is started, the VM is started, we can try to access it. putting the IP address 10.0.2.100, and if everything is okay, yes, the VICIDIAL web page is here. We put the password, the username that is 666, and the password that is 123.1.2.3.4. This is the default password, and the 66 is the admin for the VICIDIAL. We can continue with the setup. Practically we are finished by installing the VICIbox, and from now we need to go to configure VICIDIAL, the phone extension, the users, the groups, and combine, updating the list that make the system work perfectly. So we can stay tuned in other video that I'll upload next weeks. So stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.